I'm Barbara. I come from Adelaide. I've lived all my life in Adelaide, and we've been living by the seaside, and I just thoroughly enjoyed that.
My name's Jim, and born and bred in Adelaide. What did I do before I retired? I was in financial services. In fact, I used to sell reverse mortgages through Mariner Financial to the financial planners and mortgage brokers around South Australia. And as Barb said, we live by the sea. We've got a shack also by the sea up at near Port Augusta, and we just love the life over in Adelaide. It's great.
When I retired, I just thought I'd have a little bit more time to do my gardening, my pottery, and of course I have family and I've had grandchildren, so I've been able to give some more time to helping them with the grandchildren. And so retirement's been quite pleasant and quite busy.
When I retired, I decided, well, we're going to have to enjoy life now, and went and played golf with a couple of mates, and we still do to this day, and that was over 20 years ago. And really just enjoy our grandkids and our family, and getting to the shack, because we love the shack, fishing. It was really, something we could look forward to. When
Jim suggested that perhaps we could do a reverse mortgage, I think I felt a great sense of relief, because there was an opportunity there for us to still maintain our wonderful house, our wonderful location, still maintain our wonderful holiday place, and be able to relax and enjoy our retirement stage and just have a lot of fun, just enjoy.
Reverse mortgage is simply taking out equity in your own home. Most people our age have had their house paid off, and why not enjoy life? And if you haven't got the funds to be able to enjoy life because of cost of living pressures or whatever, then the only way to do it and stay where you are is to take out a reverse mortgage. And let's face it, you don't have to pay it back. You're there for life if you want to be, and then when you do eventually pass this earth, the mortgage is paid out once the property is settled. Beautiful. Well, why we went to reverse mortgage through Household Capital was mainly through our son. He was working with AMP at the time. They'd had this presentation and said, Dad, if you're looking for a reverse mortgage, have a look at Household Capital. Dealing with Household Capital was a great experience, really. Very simple. I can tell you it's not that hard. Getting a reverse mortgage gave us a lot of confidence in the fact that we could still maintain our lifestyle. Things like upgrading the home if we needed to, going on holidays, maintaining our shack, because that still needed to be upgraded as well, and also just enjoying life in general.
And can I just add in there, it's just not, it's not you borrowing money, it's your own equity in your own home. So it's, you've earned it basically. You just feel like you've earned it a little bit, and as you do get older and the council rates go up, etc., etc., but you haven't got the income, but you have got this wonderful asset, then you can enjoy it for a while longer, and that's excellent. That's been wonderful.
And like Barb said, you worked all your life to get to this stage, so that's when you really want to enjoy it. And if you haven't got the funds that you can make sure you enjoy it, the way you want to, then a reverse mortgage is the answer. And we found that, and Household Capital were excellent in dealing with.
If I had a friend that was finding their finances a bit challenging, I wouldn't be hesitant in recommending that they speak to Household Capital and see how they can help them. So I'd thoroughly recommend.
If anybody asked me about what they could do for a reverse mortgage, I'll be telling them to come to Household Capital. Give them a call, and they can shop around if they want to, but I'm sure they'll find that Household Capital are one of the best you can find in Australia.